PKD Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP. Shama Mohammed, spokesperson of the Congress party. PKD Nambiar, come on, surely there is no justification for this. I mean, if the BJP wants to hold a political rally, hire a Maidan, conduct a political rally. Why use government platforms which are paid for by your and my money to make political attacks?
Srinivasan, you and me elect a government. You call that government 24/7 a BJP government which is led by Modi. So if you and me elect a government,
yes,
so that belongs to the government belongs to all of us.
Yes.
And which platform else? Where will the Prime Minister is duty bound to tell the people what is the development is all about, how the earlier governments or the people have not delivered well. So I think it is purely a good communication which is put out by the
communication to say Lal Topi is looting Uttar Pradesh. This is government communication.
This
is how governments communicate.
May I ask you something? In the 5 or different occasions you had shown, is there even a single comment of the Prime Minister which is not true? If don't you think in the last 5 years there is a large amount of development which has taken place? That is the reason the Prime Minister is able to go and inaugurate the function.
See, what is true or not true is a political question. Okay, government A will say I did better, government B will say I did better. That is the subject of election rallies. That is not the subject of a public government platform. A government and a political party is divided, church and state. There has to be a Lakshman Rekha.
The people of this country will be just will understand whether whatever the Prime Minister is speaking on those functions are true or not. Whether are they able to experience whatever he is telling? So let them decide it.
So you are fine. Okay. So tomorrow, if your government goes and another government comes, Congress comes, let's say, and a Congress Prime Minister is using public money, your or my money, to make pointed attacks at the BJP. Hold on. Making pointed attacks at the BJP from a government platform, you have no problem with that. You're fine with that?
Absolutely no. Absolutely no. In fact,
you're okay with that.
On the contrary, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, in his own rallies and programs, he also praised the local governments and also used all these words.
I'm saying...
But the only thing is that...
You have accepted that it is okay to do... you have accepted... you can't have it both ways. You have accepted that it's fine for Prime Ministers to make political attacks using public money in a government platform. So therefore, if he can do it, all governments can do it. That's a bad precedent you've accepted.
He has not taken a single name. There was no personal attacks was made by the Prime Minister. He was only talking about the previous government and their failures.
Of course.
And he is duty bound to showcase.
He is duty bound to do that. Okay, Shama Mohammed respond PKD that quite apart from the fact that again taxpayer money is being used to bring in huge crowds for basically doing BJP type propaganda, look at how you're politicizing the government machinery, the bureaucracy, people who are not supposed to be taking partisan positions by involving them in all of this. This is again setting a dangerous precedent. I think you should really consider trying to justify this.
No,
I think you should object, you should also condemn this, even though you're a BJP supporter.
No, one thing I must tell you that if a Prime Minister or a Chief Minister or any government functionary participate in a function, whether it is an election rally or in a normal case, there will always be a government people or a police and forces.
But this is organized by government. It's different. It could be different if there's government. This is entirely organized by government.
Srinivasan, it is very simple. You and me, the people of this country elect a government which you and me call every day a Congress government and a BJP government. And if they are answerable to the people, they are answerable to the people, and it is the place.
When you take an oath, you said this last time also.
What's the development in Gorakhpur?
Mr. Nambiar, when you take an oath on the Constitution, you are a constitutional functionary. You are not a BJP functionary. You're a constitutional functionary.
You will not be exposing the people
who have to respond, and you have to be responsible to that. That is the whole point. And it's very clear what is happening is the very opposite of trying to keep that Lakshman Rekha intact.
No, Srinivasan, there
So
is
I
nothing
think,
like-
as I said, if
when
you
gave a
justify this,
platform-
other people
no.
will do this. Other governments will come and do this, and it's
See,
not
this has
good for
been-
India.
The only difference there is Modi government has done something very different. If you have noticed it, in a sci-fi event which you clearly mentioned, it is not anymore the Bollywood stars coming and inaugurating the function. You have an elected government and the elected leaders
Okay,
who
that
are
is-
going and
that is
and
hardly a
going
defense,
and
my friend.
inaugurating functions and telling the people
That is hardly a
that,
defense.
Yes, this is what we have done.
That
this
is
what
hardly a
the
defense.
previous
That is
governments
hardly
have
a
not done.
defense. That is hardly a
No, no.
defense.
This
You
is
know,
what
you have,
people done
imagine,
in the past.
Vasu, I just
What
wanna
else you
ask-
wanted to tell? What are you expecting
imagine,
from
no,
government?
that's not a defense, Mr. Nambiar, and imagine Yogi Adityanath saying Jinnah ya Ganna at a government event. For God's sake. Anyway,
So
yes,
what?
Shama Mohammed,
What
you
is
wanted
the
to come
Jinnah
in.
name represents for an Indian?
Shama Mohammed,
Yeah,
yes.
I just want to, I want to ask Mr. Nambiar one question.
Okay, one. Just,
Mr. Nambiar, one, of course, we should not be speaking about politics in a public, in a government function, which is a central government function. But my question to you is, even if he
The
was
trend
speaking,
which
why
was
can't he
set
talk about the
by
development which
none other than
happened in
Jawaharlal
UP
Nehru?
for the last 5 years? Why don't you
The
talk
trend
about
of
the,
that-
why
the
don't you talk about the
political
development
stability
work?
which have
Because
not
there's
been
no
set by
development.
not by
That is why.
but
Why don't you
by
speak about
Indira
what happened in
Gandhi,
UP for the last 5
Jawaharlal
years,
Nehru,
Mr. Nambiar?
Rajiv Gandhi.
You
Okay,
never
okay.
talk about that. You only talk
Okay,
about
nobody can
Shamshan
hear-
Khan and Khabristan. You only
Nobody
talk
can
about
hear if
Jinnah.
both
You
of you
talk
talk
about,
at the
it's
same
all
time.
about India, Hindu-Muslim.
Nobody can talk if you talk at the same
We'll
time. We'll have to leave it there.
Elections,
I think-
BJP spends thousands and thousands
We'll
of
have to
crores
leave it there.
Khaunga na
in
khane
Bengal,
dunga.
in Kerala.
Okay, we'll have to leave it there. We're out of time. But let's see. It's very clear that this trend is not going to stop. There'll be more such government events or political rallies masquerading as government events. Thank you so much.